Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce you to a spice that's been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. The amazing clove, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. This little powerhouse packs a punch in both flavor and health benefit. The popular Urdu name of this plant is lounge. Uses and advantages. Clove isn't just a culinary delight. It's also a health champion. Its uses range from promoting dental health and aiding digestion to spicing up your favorite dishes. Plus, it boasts impressive antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that help keep you healthy and your food fresh. Watering cycle cloves are tropical darlings that need regular watering to thrive. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater. Think of it like a tropical vacation. Always a bit of moisture in the air. Season for growth. If you live in a warm tropical climate, congratulations. You've got the perfect conditions for clove cultivation. They love the heat and will flourish in a warm environment. Harvest. Key to harvesting cloves is timing. Flower buds should be picked just before they open, ensuring you get the most potent flavor and health benefit. Sunlight requirements. Cloves love basking in the sun. They prefer full sun, but can also do well in partial shade. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day to keep your clove plant happy. Soil. When it comes to soil, cloves are a bit picky. They thrive in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 5.0 and 6.0. Medicinal uses. Cloves are medicinal marvels. They can help alleviate toothaches thanks to their numbing properties. They're also known to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even support liver health. A little clove can go a long way in keeping you healthy. Spice up your life with clove, the flavorful health booster every kitchen needs.
Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.